Hello and welcome to my twin stick shooter template project video. I'm going to talk about what is all in this project first, and then one at a time I will show you how you could set things up. So what comes in this project is a fully functional character with lots of gameplay abilities and twin stick shooter controls, weapon blueprints for all types of weapons you could think of: shotguns, rifles, pistols, etc., sniper rifles, rockets, whatever you want to do. You also have healing canisters. You have ammo pickups, which are over here. You got environmental objects. These are big explosive barrels that you could shoot and blow up. You got navigation meshes for AIs and path tracing, so that they could go like in a route. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got test dummies that print out the amount of damage you're doing in the case of debugging, and that's pretty much that, as well as of course 3 levels: the level you're seeing, another test level, and a menu level. We also have all the menu interfaces set up for you, just the basic stuff of course, but it is all controller compatible, so if you're interested in making your game with a gamepad in mind, this template should support you. And we're just going to go right on into it with the following videos of what you could do with it.